The ocean or the underwater is one of the most mysterious places. It's believed we have explored more of space than we have of the ocean. What could be lurking under there? Today we are going to look at top 6 of the most scary and mysterious sounds that were recorded underwater. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed. Number 6. Voices underwater? In 1984, during training, a Navy diver swore that he heard voices. He thought it was his team, but they were not nearby. They kept on hearing voices, so they got this recorded. They believed this might have been a whale mimicking human speech patterns. Number 5. Upsweep. Number 4. Humpback whale. Number 3. Unexplained sounds. Number 2. Train. This sound is generated as the iceberg slowly moving and dragging its now on the sea floor. Number 1. Julia. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share to your friends, and comment down below which one was the scariest.
The rat tails swim slowly to conserve energy. The green arrows indicate the long filaments that help it to sense food and other animals in the dark. This rat tail was observed below
Oh yeah, there's something dark over to the left-hand side, sort of in the center. It's moving along there. This thing here.
What's that? There's something big there, yeah.
Whoa. It looks like a big rat. I can't see you properly.
He's huge.
Big rat tail.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah. No, a chimera.
No, it's
No,
a
it's a
chimera.
chimera.
It's definitely a chimera.
He's
Look at the
zooming
fins.
It's another butterfly fish.
Wow. Yeah, he's a good size. Wow, yeah, that's the big. That's bigger than the ones we usually see, isn't it?
He's having a bad day. He's been to the bar.
Wow, look at that. Jeez.
Oh, I think he has parasites. Oh, you
Does
can see
he?
the parasites coming off of him. Oh, it's gross.
Yeah, he doesn't look too
Look very
healthy. Look at his eyes.
Remember, his
he's
eyes
pretty
aren't
big.
actually
blind now.
eyes.
Oh.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Boy, that is. I know.
Whoa.
That is
Look at
pretty
him.
scary
He's gonna haunt
looking.
you in
He's
dreams
so
tonight.
creepy. That's
That is
awesome.
Prehistoric.
Do you
Spell
see the
chimera.
electrodes on
Look,
his face?
yeah, he looks like he's smiling.
What are they?
They're like
electrodes?
sharks. You
Are
know,
they
like what
really?
sharks
I hope you're
have?
getting screenshots. Do you
It's
just
like a
spell
Joker
chimera?
smile with those.
CHIMAERA or EARA?
AERA, I believe.
AERA, there you go.
Yeah, boy, that definitely looks prehistoric to me.
Alexandra.
Alrighty.
Having a.
That's great. Thanks, guys. Nice.
That dude is. That was. Yeah.
That was. Wow.